here we have a question where you're asked to find the area of this shape, and the shape is made up of this triangle and this semicircle. Now, to work out the area of the triangle, we know the base is 7.6. This, though, is the height. So we need to work out the height here, and we're going to use this triangle, and we're going to use Pythagoras' theorem. Let's call the height x. So by Pythagoras, x squared plus 7.6 squared is going to equal 9.5 squared. So x squared will equal 9.5 squared, take away 7.6 squared, which comes out as 32.49. Now that's x squared, so x is going to be the square root of 32.49, which is exactly 5.7 centimetres. So we now know that this length here is 5.7 centimetres. Okay, let's think how we can find the area then. So here we have 5.7. The area of the triangle is going to be, so I'm going to just write area of triangle is equal to 7.6, that's the base, multiplied by 5.7, that's the height, and we're going to divide that by 2, and that comes out as 21.66 centimetres squared. Okay, to find the area of the semicircle here, we're going to use the formula for the area of a circle, and the area of a whole circle is pi r squared. We mustn't forget, though, that we've only got half a circle here. Now, do we know the radius of this semicircle? Well, in fact, we do. We know that it's 5.7 centimetres from here to here, which means that from the centre to C, so this is the radius, that must be half of 5.7. Now, if we find half of 5.7, it comes out as 2.85. So the area of a whole circle would be pi times 2.85 squared, which would come out as, actually you don't need to work it out. The area of this semicircle then, that's this shape here, is going to be pi times 2.85 squared divided by 2, because it's only a semicircle. And if we work that out, it comes out as 12.7587. And I'm going to just keep that on the screen of your calculator, and that's centimetres squared. If we now want the area of the whole shape, we're going to add these two together. So we're going to do 21.66 plus the 12.758 and so on. That comes out as 34.418 and so on. Always write an accurate answer first. If we then round that correctly to 3 significant figures, it's 34.4 centimetres squared.